A Windy Day by Melvin and Gilda Berger. I'm going to read my story today like this because I want you to really be able to see those pictures. Do those children look like they're having a good time? Are the pictures in this drawn? Are they colored? How do you think they're made? Did you say that they're photos? You're right. Let's see. A Windy Day, Melvin and Gilda Berger. It's a windy day. Hold on to your hat. Fun fact, wind is moving air. The wind is blowing. Oh dear, what's blowing over there? It looks like somebody didn't hold tight enough to their hat. Wind pushes boats. Who remembers what kind of a boat that is? Fun fact, wind also turns the sails of windmills. Wind makes kites fly. Wind brings rain clouds. Wind blows clouds away. Fun fact, wind helps to change the weather. Some wind is slow. Some wind is fast. Fun fact, a slow wind is slow-moving air. A fast wind is fast-moving air. Fast wind can push trees over, and fast wind can make large waves. Fun fact, a very fast wind can cause a lot of damage. Blow, wind, blow. Those children have little flags and they're walking on the beach, it looks like. Do you think you'd like to be having a flag blow in the wind? Or maybe you'd like to have a kite blowing. Maybe you can take a walk around your neighborhood and see if there are any flags blowing in your neighborhood. I don't know if anybody lives in a neighborhood that's going to have a sailboat. And you might even have to hold on to your keepers or your caps, because today it is a windy day. I hope you enjoyed our story about a windy day. Talk about what you like to do on windy days. Bye, everyone.